ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ನೀವು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಸ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಶುಚಿಯಾಗಿರದೇ ಪರಿಸರ ಉಳಿಸೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಕಡಿಮೆ ನೀರನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ಈಗಿನ ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಳ ಬದುಕನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಶಿಸ್ತು ಬದುಕನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪರಿಸರ ಉಳಿಸುವಂತ ಕಾರ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
In a tree, if you grow trees, what will happen? They reduce the carbon dioxide and increase oxygen, which is very important for when we save nature. Come on.
Avoid using plastics.
Very good.
Don't use more plastic. Burn the garbage.
Don't burn the garbage.
Don't cut the trees and plants.
Excellent.
Plant more trees.
Very good.
Something more than. Don't throw waste into the water. Don't make water pollution. Avoid uses plastics.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rohit Sula. Today I am here to tell a few words about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th every year. Environment is important to us because it gives air, water, food and shelter.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nevaiyam. Today I am here to speak a few words about World Environment Day. Environment provides everything we need: food, water, air and shelter. The official theme for 2025 World Environment Day is Beat Plastic Pollution. As it has promised today that we will take care of our environment and save our beautiful earth.
Very good morning to everyone. I am Karthik of grade 6. Today I am going to inform you about the pollution. Pollution refers to the introduction of harmful substances into our environment causing negative changes. Pollution doesn't respect borders. It travels through the air, water and the land. So the only way to prevent the pollution is to teach our young generation like to reduce, use and recycle the plastic, use more public transport, plant trees and protect forests, educate and inspire our young generation
ಚಲಿಸು ಜಲಪಾತ ಹಾಗೆ ಕುಣಿದಾಡು ನವಿಲುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹತ್ತೋಣ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಚಲಿಸು ಜಲಪಾತ ಹಾಗೆ ಕುಣಿದಾಡು ನವಿಲುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹತ್ತೋಣ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ.